She the last 11 out of 11. Say hi, Granny. Ain't old people funny as fuck. This is my cousin Candy. Nothing but bad bitches over here, y'all know. Telling y'all business to each other. Telling our business. I am. What we supposed to be talking about, y'all?
We're talking about to get to know each other.
Oh, y'all know me. My name is Ari. I am 31. I have 2 kids, Paris and Knox. Okay. A girl and a boy. I live in Huntsville for now. Let's see what else. I'm that bitch.
What's your mother name?
My mom is Angie. Who's your mom?
I'm Kenny's wife. So
Oh, you're Kenny's wife. Okay. Okay. You in-law.
Kenny's our nephew.
Right.
So that's our nephew.
That's your nephew. That's Aunt KK's son?
Aunt KK's grandson.
Grandson. So who is Kenny's mom? Tracy. Joan's sister.
Right.
Okay. This my Joan. Wait a minute, somebody gave you a little nip. Somebody gave you a little nip. What you drinking?
I don't know, but it's gone.
It's gone. Say hi, Hope. Say hi, Hope. Hope, Matt. Wait. Oh, where your hat at? Yeah, Auntie is giving in the blonde, ain't she? Auntie husband just died, y'all. Auntie just buried her husband last week. I mean Friday. So we praying for Auntie because she just buried her husband, y'all. Look at Knox.
You like my feet?
What you doing, Knox? Say hi. Wave, son.
Come on, get down and play with Knox. Go play with Isaiah and Knox. Show Prince the ball. I mean the balloon. Bring the balloon.
Pick it up and be a good boy. Get your hat. Get it, Knox. Get your hat and be a good boy. Of course he ain't gonna put his hat on. That's my son though. I know you. Look at him scratching me. Ooh, Prince, wear your hat, Knox.
Prince got your hat on now.
Look at Prince.
You want your hat? Now you want to put it on?
Ooh, Knox a handsome boy. That's my son. Say hi. Say hi, Knox.
You look so handsome, Steve.
Say hi. My son do the most. Y'all know that though. He ain't crying. Paris! I need some lip gloss, y'all. Oh, sorry, I almost fell. daddy's son. Sis, I'm not gonna block you. Keys, Paris. That's what you're looking for. Hold on, Paris. My dang on purse is too dang on big. Make sure you lock my door. What you getting again? Paris, come here. Bring my lip gloss from the front pull-up thing. Thank you. It's 2 of them. Get one. Since you're not gonna get blocked, are me and my baby daddy together? Well, my baby daddy blocked today. He made me mad yesterday, or I made him mad yesterday. So he blocked today. He'll be like that. But it's nothing to see here though, because I will call him and he'll answer that phone. So it's nothing to see here. It's not that I couldn't answer the question. I didn't see that question, y'all. But I don't think it's ever if y'all together or if y'all ain't together. I mean.